I'm done filming may unboxing clothes, pero hindi ko pala siya na-record. Sayang yung efforts. Okay, let's do this again. This what I ordered from Shein. Hindi niyo nakita yung hindi niyo nakita yung pag-unbox ko. Nasayang effort, sayang. So, okay, let's start first with this one. Ito yung first na order ko is yung trouser. Yun nga, medyo malaki siya sa akin. It's an X for me. Hindi ko siya magagamit. The next is ito, yung dress. I like it. So, mostly na in-order ko is size like small. But it looks big para sa akin. Pero let's see. Pero maganda siya. Medyo para siyang, yung malamig yung tela niya. So, I like this one. For sure, I'm gonna wear it. Just to let you know, hindi ako pala shopping. So, ngayon na lang talaga. I think this is the first time ngayong taon na nag-order ako ng mga online. Like, for example, this Shein. The next one is a small size as well. It looks bigger sa akin, pero small siya. So, dapat mag-fit siya sa akin. And next is another dress na color blue ulit. Okay. Maganda naman siya. May paganito siya. Ganda siya and komportable. Feeling ko naman, tsaka feeling ko kasi siya sa akin. Okay. And also this one, yung trouser binili ko. Ganda rin, black. Just for comfy lang, pang labas-labas. So, yun. Pero napansin ko medyo malinaw siya. Pero, okay na siya kasi medyo mura lang naman. Affordable. Then last pala yung binili ko itong undergarments. So, 3 pieces siya. 3 colors. Ayun lang. So, thank you for joining me with this unboxing that I bought from Shein. So, see you on my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.